In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download projects from the cloud on CapCut step by step so you can keep a local backup, work offline, or move your project to another device with confidence. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and make sure you're signed into the same account that contains the cloud project you want to download. This is important because if you're logged into the wrong account, you won't see the correct project inside your cloud storage. Once you're on the main screen, look at the sidebar or the home dashboard and click on Spaces. This is where CapCut stores your synced cloud files and projects, so it's the place you need to start. After opening Spaces, navigate through the folders until you find the project you want to download. If you have several folders or multiple saved projects, take a moment to locate the exact one you need so you don't download the wrong file. When you see the project thumbnail, move your cursor over it and click the three dots icon, which opens the More Options menu. In that menu, you should see the Download option. Click Download and CapCut will begin pulling that cloud project onto your computer. Depending on the project size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it time to finish. It's also very important not to close CapCut too early because you want the project to fully cache to your local hard drive before you exit the app. Once the download is complete, your project should now be available locally, which means you can access it faster, open it without relying entirely on the cloud, and keep working even if your connection is unstable. If you want to make sure it downloaded properly, you can check the project location again or reopen it from your local files inside CapCut. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a project from the cloud on CapCut. If this walkthrough saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.